Courageous Year, which is an e-course that will be starting in January of 2010.
Never talk in dreams.
What will the Courageous Year be about? Well, first of all, I think that it's something that's really self-created. I believe that if somebody says, I know I have this feeling inside me, I want things to change, but I don't know what that looks like yet, this course would still work for that person, because exploration and discovery is part of what I believe courageousness to be.
Sometimes I feel so confused.
By the way, I define courage as being afraid, doing it anyway, and transforming.
You always know the way.
When somebody sees that they're afraid of something and they say, I know I'm afraid of that, but I'm going to step into it anyway. I'm going to be afraid, I'm going to step into it, I'm going to do it anyway. That transformation is just a natural third part of that whole process. And one of the cool things about courage is that then the zone of what we're comfortable with and the zone of our experience gets wider, and then we bump up against a new edge, and then it becomes, okay, now I'm afraid of that new edge, so I get another opportunity to be courageous, to be afraid, do it anyway, and transform, and hopefully the edge gets a little wider.
Without you, I would never rise.
The other thing that I would say about the course is that part of what I'm putting into it is a lot of play, because I think that so often working on ourselves is like this thing where people go, oh, it's got to be work, it's not going to be fun, I'm going to have to confront this thing that's really hard, and who wants to do that? And yeah, that might be a necessary part of growth for some people. However, that's not all there is when we're talking about growth or we're talking about courage. That's not everything. And I've had to learn that too, that in fact, stepping into joy is a big part of doing work on myself, that it doesn't always have to be, I don't know, conjuring up the most painful memory I've ever had and trying to process through it. I mean, that's a big part, but it's not all of it.
Life is yours alone. You hold your head up.
I am so excited to get started, and I just have one question for you, and it is, how big do you want to live in 2010? And if you want to have a big year, I invite you to join us in courageously walking through this year with us.